sobrang init ng panahon ngayon, napabili ako nito, Akari na turbo fan. So, ito yung ginagamit ko, guys. It is from Akari, guys. Actually, they are known for their electric fans, ganon. Hindi ko na kinakayang magpaypay ng magpaypay. So, I decided na bumili na din ito for myself. So, yung package, guys, or yung product is ito, guys. Ang dami pang colors sa pagpipilian. So, it has five modes, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So, yun yung pinakamalakas. So, ito try natin, guys. Ito yung 1. Diba? Sobrang lakas ng hangin niya, guys. This is 2. 2 yan, guys, ha? 2, 3, 4, and 5. Diba? Ganyan siya, guys. Using this for how many months talaga. And I can say that my money was really worth it because I get to have a very good quality na turbofan and hindi siya madaling malobat. The package includes this turbofan, like the sling, Type-C na cable, guys. You want, guys, nandyan sa yellow basket.